This is a cold email that just landed in a prospect's inbox. I did not write it. I did not send it. I did not even have my laptop open. An AI wrote it, personalized it, sent it, and logged it in Salesforce automatically. And before you say, I don't have Salesforce, this works with HubSpot, Pipedrive, or even just a Google Sheet. No CRM required. Whether you are a freelancer doing your own outreach, a small business owner tired of paying for leads, or a marketing team sending at scale, this system works for all of it for $12 a month. Here is the full system. In the next 8 minutes, I am going to show you a complete AI cold email system running live. We are going from a blank Google Sheet row to a personalized email in someone's inbox, to a logged activity in Salesforce, or fully automated, no manual input, in under 60 seconds. Let's go. This is the only thing you need to set up manually, your prospect list. 8 columns: company name, first name, last name, role, website, email, status, and follow-up count. Status is blank. That is the trigger. When Make.com sees a blank status, it knows this prospect hasn't been contacted yet. So, this is our test prospect. Real name, real email. We are going to watch the entire system process this row live in the next 60 seconds. This is the entire automation. 6 modules. Google Sheets watches for new rows. Claude writes a personalized first line. Salesforce creates the lead record. Gmail sends the email. Salesforce logs the task. And the sheet updates the status to sent. The whole thing runs in under 10 seconds per prospect. Let me walk you across each module. Module 1, Google Sheets, watching for blank status rows. Module 2, Claude AI, writing the personalized opener. Module 3, Salesforce, creating the lead. Module 4, Gmail, sending the email. Module 5, Salesforce, logging the activity. Module 6, Google Sheets, marking the row as sent. I'm hitting run once. Watch each module light up green as it processes. Google Sheets found the row. Claude is writing the personalized line. Salesforce lead created. Gmail sending now. Task logged in Salesforce. Sheet updated. Status is now sent. Done. The email just landed. Let me open it. Plain text, no HTML, no tracking pixels, no logos. This is exactly what a human would send. The subject line, short, no punctuation, company name included. This first line, this is what Claude wrote. Completely personalized to this specific prospect. Every other prospect in the sheet gets a different version of this line. Claude researches each one individually. The rest is the template, problem, result, soft call to action, 3 sentences, 15-minute call, not a hard sell. The lead was created automatically. Name, company, role, all populated from the sheet. I didn't touch Salesforce once. Scroll down to the activity section. Here's the task. Logged against this lead, marked completed, with the full email body in the description field. Every email this system sends is tracked here automatically. Your pipeline is always current, back in the sheet. The status column now says sent. This row will never be processed again. The system knows it's done. And this is where it gets really powerful. Follow-up count is sitting at 0. There is a second make.com scenario that runs every Monday. It finds every row where status is sent, and follow-up count is less than 3. Claude writes a fresh follow-up, sends it, increments this counter. After 3 follow-ups with no reply, status flips to closed. The prospect is out of the sequence. The entire follow-up sequence runs without me touching it. My only job is to respond when a reply comes in. Let me run the numbers. Make.com core plan, $9 per month. Claude API, $3 per month at 30 emails a day. Gmail, free. Salesforce, you already have it. Total, $12 per month. Compare that to a lead generation agency charging $500 to $2,000 per month for the same volume. Or a sales rep spending 2 hours a day manually writing cold emails at $40 an hour. That is $1,600 of labor per month, just on the outreach task. This system replaces all of that for $12, and it runs every day. Whether you are working or not, the complete build guide, every module, the exact Claude prompt, the Google Sheet template, and the Salesforce field mappings is linked in the description. It is free. If you want me to build and connect this to your existing Salesforce setup, that is what ZeroManualAI does. Every engagement starts with a free 20-minute AI audit, where I review your current outreach process and show you exactly where the automation fits. Link in the description. Subscribe if this gave you a clearer picture of what is possible. Every week I publish practical AI automation tutorials, built specifically for Salesforce users and business owners who are done paying for things AI can do for free. I am your host from ZeroManualAI. Your outreach should not stop when you do. Let the system run.